Hi, today I'll show you how to install a Linux distro derived from Ubuntu, Bodhi Linux 7.0. Bodhi Linux 7.0 was released yesterday as a major update to this Ubuntu derivative featuring a fork of the lightweight and sophisticated Enlightenment desktop environment. Bodhi Linux 7.0 comes more than 2 years after Bodhi Linux 6.0 and introduces a new flavor called S76, which features a newer kernel i.e. Linux 6.4 packed by System 76 for those who want cutting-edge performance. The standard ISO image is powered by the long-term-supported Linux 5.15 LTS kernel series for those looking for stability. Both ISOs are based on the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, JAMA Jellyfish, OS series with support for Ubuntu backports in the source list. This major release also enables kernel updates by default. Bodhi Linux's Enlightenment-based Moksha desktop environment received some attention in Bodhi Linux 7.0 and no longer relies on outdated libraries. There is also a new default theme called Moksha Green, and a keyboard shortcut viewer has been implemented in the menu. Additionally, Moksha received windows that snap to screen edges, a D&D feature for menu items, file preview improvements, smart menu orientation for multi-monitor setups, system support for sysacctions, and a number of other fixes which you can check in the release notes. Among other changes, Bodhi Linux 7.0 comes with Thinar's Archive plugin pre-installed by default, a web browser management tool inspired by the Zorin OS browser manager tool to make it easier for users to install their favorite web browsers, support for notification actions, and support for application instances in the iBar module. The login screen has also been updated for this major release with a new Plymouth theme and a newer version of Slick Greeter, 1.8.1, that features a password reveal feature. See you next video, and now some music.